All right, here we're with Dr. Paul. And Dr. Paul, you've been in practice how long?
5 years now.
5 years. Okay, so you've been in practice a little while. So we're at the Chiropractic Personal Injury Marketing Seminar here. We're just wrapping things up. And you see, what was your impression so far in personal injury and how to put your case together?
It's definitely an eye-opener from what I'm doing right now compared to what you're showing me, and it just shows, you know, that right now I'm open to a lot of liability and a lot of problems could potentially come down the way.
Well, let's go into the case itself. Now, we're real clear on the 4 components that you need to do, how to document those 4 major components on how to put the case together and win, right?
Yep.
You're real clear on that. Now, that includes soft tissue and disc injury, nerve injury, mild concussion. You're pretty clear on how to do that, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, what I've learned in the past just 2 days is, you know, it's tremendous amount of stuff. And it really puts it in perspective where I want to go with this. Can
you see, if you follow that plan of those 4 categories in that documentation, that's pretty tight to put that case together?
It's unbelievably tight, and I think about it when I'm going to go back. I'm going to implement so many things, even, you know, Monday morning when we get back into our office, and it's just going to be a huge change from what I've been doing.
Now let's go to the second part of that, because not only, remember, in personal injury, it's not just supporting that case with documentation, but it's also understanding the attorney is going to come at you to minimize or discredit that case, right?
Right.
And we talked about how to handle it when they say it's a pre-existing case and how to handle it when it's a low-impact injury case.
Right.
So how confident do you now, because we just covered that, how confident that you now know how to totally minimize that attorney when he tries to say it's pre-existing or low impact?
Tremendously confident compared to where I was even 2 days ago before I came in here.
Okay.
I mean, it just really puts into perspective, you know, how much of a commodity you're going to be for your area when you get back there, you know what I mean, to the attorneys and everybody else.
And really, that was the last question is, can you see how, when you know how to do that, and especially when you know how to communicate that to the attorneys, the 4 components of putting the case together, the 2 on how to defend it, that is exactly what the attorneys want.
Exactly what they want. It's going to make you very attractive to everybody in the area compared to, you know, the competition, which is really no competition at all if you think about it.
Crystal clear? You real clear on this? Were we real straightforward and direct in how to do all this?
Definitely worth every penny plus some.
Yeah. All right, great, thanks.
Thank you.